she chasing me, I'm right where I wanna be with the beat on my Bentley. Checks on my Air Max. Haters, better fall back before I put some in your ball cap. That's my chick, I got her back like a bra strap.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm here with my beautiful, cute
baby
niece Ariana.
Yeah.
And today we're gonna react to a new video for you guys, Ertugrul video.
With you.
And it's called Ertugrul set up a trap for Sadettin Kopek, something like that. So are you guys ready? Let's go! Uh-oh.
It's a bad guy.
It's gonna be interesting, right?
It's gonna be interesting with bad guy.
A lot of bad people. Are there bad people? Yeah, I think so.
Gel bakalım Emir Sadettin. İyi misin? İyiyim abi.
You think he's a bad guy?
Yeah. I like you.
I love you too.
I like you. Look at the horse.
Mm-hmm.
It looks really fast.
Somebody gonna attack him, you think?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Me too.
Something gonna happen. Something gonna happen. Why are they running like that? Uh-oh. What did he see?
It's just
Trap?
a trap.
Emir Hazretleri ormanın içine çekilmişler.
Komutan,
What
sen
bad
arkamızı
guy?
kolla.
Emredersiniz Emir Hazretleri.
O Ertugrul bu ormandan sağ çıkmayacak.
Oh, so they are enemy.
Sen de ön tarafın mesuliyetini alacak. Anlaşıldı mı?
Anlaşıldı efendim.
Hala.
Oh. Whoa.
Haydi. Önlerine geçmenin vaktidir.
Uh-oh.
Haydi yiğitlerim. Yurdumuz için, devletimiz için. Aslan Hatun için. Rahmetli Sultanımız Alaaddin için. Ertuğrul!
Ertugrul!
Ülkemiz için. Haydi Allah! Haydi Allah!
Whoa, that was crazy. Ooh.
Yettik Ertuğrul Bey!
Hainler.
Oh, that bad.
It's gonna put you like this.
Yeah. Ooh. He's gonna run. The old man is running.
Like that.
The old man is running.
Köpeğin işi olma göresin.
You're like, you okay? Okay. Ooh.
This?
No, that's the only one we're gonna react to today, boo.
Can we put more some?
Till morning.
Why?
So what do you think, Babu? You like the video?
Yeah,
It was good.
that was good.
What was your favorite part in the video? What was your favorite scene?
Favorite thing is my punch.
Punch when they were punching them, or to go were punching them. Anyway, my favorite part was like everything about Ertugrul, man. Ertugrul is too damn good. Everything about him was. Everything about that drama is amazing, man. I love it. I'm falling in love with the drama. As she is too. She loves this drama too. Right, Babu? You love drama?
Yeah,
So, should we react to another one tomorrow morning?
yeah.
Okay, she called tomorrow to morning, so that's what I'm saying. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy our reaction. If you do, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Those of you new to my channel, don't forget to hit that bell icon and get notified every time I upload a video for you guys. So, we see you guys tomorrow with another video. Till then, peace.
Picture me and my gangster girl riding with the top back. Banging knee on my neck, free on my socks, hat tilted to the side. Like you know I get my grind on, get my shine on, triple blinking over.